welcome to the third episode of Budding Buddies. There is something everybody loves the most, and for me, it's food. Speaking of which, today we have with us the Epicurean, insanely foodie, and the Nagpur food sensation Abhinav Jeswani.
Hello. Hi, Gauri.
Hi Abhinav, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Great.
Okay, Abhinav, I'm so glad that you're here on my show. Thank you
I'm
very much.
you have invited me to your beautiful show.
Thank you so much, Abhinav. So I think we should begin. So let's
Sure,
begin.
sure.
So first question is for you. Is Abhinav, are you foodie since childhood?
Yes, I am a foodie since childhood. Like not just because I started food blogging and all stuff. I was a very big foodie. Like if you ask my mom now, she will just complain ki he eats a lot. He wants daily new variety of food in home. And literally, my mom has learned so many things. Like she's 55, 53 years old, and she makes pizza also for me, pasta also for me. And that's just because I am a very big foodie.
Nice, that's fantastic. So everyone eats, but you eat and influence people to do it at the same time.
Correct.
So when did you plan to start food blogging?
See, when I started, no, there were only very few handful of bloggers in Nagpur. So I got inspired from one of my fellow bloggers, Government Musafir. So he was doing very excellent work that time. So I thought ki I can also do this stuff. So I met him once and I told him that I love your work. And he also said ki you seem a big foodie too. You should also start this. And I just randomly started a page, and here I am.
Nice. Thank you for sharing this with us. So another question for you. Do you cook at home?
I cook like only very few dishes like Maggie and sometimes I
Maggie is not a dish. सब cook करते हैं.
like Maggie में I have like in this lockdown I have learned some amazing varieties also like white sauce Maggie, Szechuan Maggie, Punjabi Maggie. So that are dishes for me. And thoda
Okay.
बहुत donuts I learned, pancakes and all stuff I learned. मतलब some easy जो 3 to 4 ingredients में बन जाती है चीजें I learned in this lockdown. I don't usually cook but ये सब चीजें घर में मैं ही बनाता हूँ छोटी मोटी.
Nice. ओके तो आप सीखोगे थोड़े थोड़े दिन में अगर आप ज्यादा फुल ब्लॉग आगे चलाते रहे तो.
हाँ sure बिल्कुल.
Congratulations to you being Nagpur food sensation already on 30K followers on your Just Nagpur Things page.
Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you.
Okay, so I want to ask you here, why name Just Nagpur Things?
Okay, so basically, there's not much a story. I was in 11th or 12th class, and I used to roam around Nagpur and record Nagpur ke stuff like Sandal and Dhol Tasha and anything in Nagpur, random stuff I used to record and upload on my YouTube channel. And I just gave it the name Just Nagpur Things because it was just Nagpur Things. So I just gave it the name randomly, and I just left that channel ऐसे ही just uploading 10 to 11 videos. Then what I did, I thought कि this is my name. I have created this name, Just Nagpur Things. So I should use it in my Instagram account. Then I thought to give my Instagram account Just Nagpur Things. Then I started.
Okay. Like the name is confined to Nagpur. So if you visit some other place or you go shift to some other place, then what is that? Why it is confined like to Nagpur only?
See, in the first place, I am not moving anywhere. I have like this thing is confirmed. I will be in Nagpur always, and now also like when I had 20K followers now on the 20K followers mark, I just changed my username to my personal name. Now it's Abhinav Jeswani. Okay. The second name which is there, that is just Nagpur thing. So both the names are there, and because I changed it because I was traveling a lot. I was traveling Rajasthan, some another states, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and all stuff. I was exploring. So I thought ki just change the username to Abhinav Jesani because it will not restrict me from uploading any food of any country or any place.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure. Okay. So, look at you. You're a proper Sindhi guy, having so many dishes plated at home for a single meal. So, how do you balance between love for food and health?
Okay, so see, basically, I will tell you my story. I was, I'll just share my weight. It's not a shame. I was 100 and something 105, 100 kg when I started my gym. Then after 6 months, I lost around 10 to 12 kg. Okay, I was at 88 or 90. Then after the
Oh.
6 month time was my food blogging starting time. Okay, after that,
Mhm.
I gained the lost 12 kg in just another 6 months. So I became 100 kgs again, and then now I am just gaining, and now I am around 105 or 6. So it's not a shame. It's okay. Like I eat a lot, so it's ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But but
Okay.
but I do gym for my health. I go for cycling. I know good skipping. I can skip very fast. I have a lot of experience in
Nice.
skipping, and I do sometimes swimming. I go to workouts for walking and jogging stuff. So I maintain my health also, and I eat a lot also.
So, weight is not a barrier for you in
No,
this.
not at all, not at all.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay. So, what type of cuisine you love the most?
I love like North Indian cuisine the best. Like it's my
Okay.
favorite, and because it contains chole bhature and pav bhaji type of stuff and Punjabi food and all stuff. So these are my weakness. If you offer me a plate of chole bhature, I might get kidnapped by a plate of chole bhature. So I
Okay.
love cuisine.
Okay. Okay. So, moving to the next question. With good taste, you need to have elite photography skills as well. So, when did you develop those?
See, basically, when I started, I had an iPhone entire time. I never used an Android phone ever in my life. So I am only an iPhone user. मतलब starting से, so I know a good मतलब कैसे खींचते हैं. And if not also, but iPhone में अच्छी photo आ ही जाती है. Everybody knows this thing. So I just randomly I was just clicking. Then this I got many people in my like blogging journey who supported me and they showed me देख ऐसे खींचना पड़ता है ऐसा रहना पड़ता है and all stuff. So they explained me and I learned about it. So I like around
Hmm.
I changed 3 to 4 iPhones in this period. I started with iPhone 7 first, then 8 plus, then 10. Now I have 11. So I
Nice.
changed 4 phone for like photography and all.
So, you have whole series of iPhone. No.
I am a iPhone lover from my childhood. Like after 10th exam, my papa just handed me an iPhone 4S. बोले तेरा ये पहला phone रख. So that was my first
Wow.
phone.
ऐसे पापा सबको मिले.
Like he was
Generally.
he was using another big iPhone that time. He was using 6 something. So he said कि मेरा छोटा वाला है तो तू ले. So that's how I
Oh.
got iPhone 4S that time.
Okay. So, there are so many people having this common question. How do you manage finance with regarding food stuff?
Okay. So, see, basically, the first year of food blogging, I invested a lot from like, I just literally gave my full pocket money in this thing, nothing else. Like, if I want to go with friends also, na, then I will tell them ki instead of wasting money on going on a club or something or like exploring, let's go for a food. Like खाने चलते हैं कुछ क्योंकि वहां पे if I pay also ना it will be okay. I will just click that photo and I will get my content if I pay. So
Hmm.
starting mein I mostly preferred going in groups because if you order 1,000 or 2,000 rupees ka food, तो you cannot just pay yourself. तो पूरा group रहेगा तो it will be country. So 300, 400 per person आएगा. So that's how I managed. And first year was full of expenses. I didn't earn a single money in my first year of blogging. Then I started earning a little. Then it was okay. I spent my whole money which I earned by myself in this food and all stuff. I didn't ask my parents for that.
Okay, so there is no shortcut in between. पूरे process से सबको जाना ही पड़ता है. Like if anyone opts to have this food blogging thing, yeah.
Correct. You have to invest to gain, na? You cannot just start your food
Exactly.
blogging and expect someone to give you money to post. It's a long process.
Right. I guess you are invited to so many places for like judging and all things.
Yes. I did. I was invited as when there was an event with Red FM, cooking ke super something. It was there, so I judged the event. I judged an event, and ek I did for a college. I don't remember. It was a pretty good college, Nagpur mein hi. So that वहाँ पे I didn't judge food, but they called me to judge their event. It was like flash mob or something like dance, rapping, and all stuff. So I judged that too. And once I got invitation from Native Chefs, it was in VNIT. It was in VNIT. The event was in VNIT, and there were around 70 to 80 dishes, and we have to give them scores according to the taste and all. So I have like experience judging 3 to 4 times.
Okay, that's really cool. That's inspiring also to other bloggers.
Thanks.
Okay. So moving towards the social aspect of this, what are your thoughts about food waste management?
See, food waste management, when we bloggers, like in my group, I know this stuff. Like whenever we go to some place, if we are going for Falana restaurant or Falana cafe, so we go in a group. Always we go in a group, so like 5 or 10 people. So if we order around like 4 to 5 dishes, so it gets completed. Nothing is left. If still something is left, we just tell him ki parcel kar de, and any one of us will go and just give it to any random beggar or anything. तो हमारे केस में फूड नहीं होता है. इफ इट ऑल्सो मतलब बचता भी है तो आइदर हम वी इनवाइट द वहाँ के रेस्टोरेंट के स्टाफ को कि भाई आप आ जाओ हमारे साथ खा लो बैठ के. इट्स नॉट अ शेम. यू जस्ट कम ओवर एंड फील कंफर्टेबल एंड हमारे साथ खाओ. सो इट इज वेरी गुड मूवमेंट फॉर अस. लाइक हम ब्लॉगर्स लोग भी रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर्स के साथ या फिर उनके स्टाफ के साथ बैठ के खाना खाते हैं. It's a big thing. It's a good thing, like sharing and all stuff. So वो wood waste नहीं होता है. And some people do this stuff कि एक दो लोग जाते हैं फिर वो खाना इतना सारा मंगा लेते हैं तो बच जाता है. But ठीक है, I cannot just say anything to anyone. बाकी हम लोग तो make sure करते हैं कि नहीं बचता है.
That's really good क्योंकि food waste जाना क्योंकि कुछ लोग empty stomach सो रहे हैं और हम जैसे लोग हैं जिनको इतना सारा फूड खाने को मिल रहा है. So we should not waste it.
Correct. I have a good contact with Robin Hood Army Nagpur. So whenever मेरे को भी रहता है so I just give them a call and they are very happy. And every time I call them कि भाई अभिनव तूने कॉल किया, so I just give them a call कि भैया यहाँ बचा है. तो they are very helpful for this stuff.
Yeah, Robin Hood Army is working so very well. Like औरंगाबाद में भी बहुत अच्छा काम चल रहा है हम लोग का.
Everywhere they are
everywhere. Mumbai, Pune.
Correct.
Yeah. What would you like to say to the budding buddies who look forward to this as a career option?
Okay, so see, basically, I have experienced this stuff. Ki many people are seeing food bloggers growing so much, and they are just starting their page just because they see कि bloggers को free में खाना मिल रहा है and all stuff. I know this stuff. So basically, everyone is starting the food blog because they want free food or just they want some overnight fame. And that's not good because if you want to do it professionally, तुमको career बनाना है इसमें तो ही you should start food blogging. And if one wants to make a career in it, so keep continuously doing hard work, post daily, like impress people with your content. The thing I did, like which got me here was impressing people with my content. People still say कि हम लोग तुमको starting से follow कर रहे हैं and nothing has changed for you, Abhinav. Like तू पहले भी पूरी detail information देता था, अभी भी you give पूरी detail information. So we have you as for like हमको कभी भी जाना है बाहर तो we have your page. It's just not कि भाई कभी भी I just post कि हाँ यार I am having this, कहाँ खा रहा हूँ and कहाँ कितने का है, I tell everybody. But some pages are there जो सिर्फ लिख देते हैं कि भाई ये आज for dinner बस. And that's not how a food blog goes. So many people are doing that mistake. So वैसा मत करो. And many people are running for followers. So just don't run for it. If your content is good now, I have seen people who have less followers than me, but I have a huge respect for them. And they earn also more than me because they have a very good impression, they have a good reach on their page and all stuff. So it's just not about the followers, it's just about quality content if you want to make it for your career.
Yeah, true. It's not only for food blogging, but for other stuff also. Content is important.
Content is important. Yeah. Correct. Quality content.
Yes, and yes, quality content. And your page is like guide. कि कहीं जा रहे हैं तो अभिनव का पेज देख लो, so you can get the idea कि हाँ कितने का कितना बजट लगेगा और then how we are going, ऐसा सब कुछ.
Correct.
I have seen many stories of yours जिसमें आप walking and all को जाते हैं सब लोगों को लेके. What is that stuff जो बहुत सारे जगह घूम के अलग-अलग चीजें टेस्ट करते हो and you posted them?
That is food walk. So basically what
food
we do
walk, right.
Basically what we do is like 4 to 5 people of us like organize this thing and we say if I jisko bhi aana hai you can just come and bring some small cash 100 150 and we will go to like around 10 to 15 places in a group and we will order like around if we go to for a samosa place so we will order 10 plates of samosa for 50 to 100 people. सब लोग थोड़ा taste करेंगे like हर जगह थोड़ा everyone will eat so everyone will get the taste of the thing particular thing. No one has to fill their stomach. It's just like tasting session. So आओ and taste करो so that कभी तुम life में आते हो अकेले या दोस्तों के साथ तो you can come to that particular place where you like the taste कि भाई हाँ यहाँ का अच्छा खाया था हमने तो यहाँ पे we can come. So that's how food walk works. Like if for bloggers it creates good amount of content because you are having so much of dishes and so much less money. Like you have to just pay 100 rupees and you are getting content worth of thousands. So that's good in a food walk. So that's how food walk was. Mostly food bloggers के लिए content and normal public के लिए to get कि भाई यहाँ पे कौन सी चीज मिलती है and all stuff and to meet their favorite bloggers as well. मतलब जैसे if I go to a food walk so like people come to me and selfie and all stuff. So I really like that stuff. कि भाई हाँ चलो कोई अपने जिनको मिलने की इच्छा थी वो भी मिल लिए. So that's good for everyone.
For good food content, please follow Abhinav Jeswani's page, Just Nagpur Things, and also his YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
Abhinav, please spell your Insta handle once for viewers.
So guys, my Instagram handle is ABHINAVJESWANI, Abhinav Jeswani. Or else you can just search Just Nagpur Things. It will come either way. And don't forget to give a follow to GT Talk Show. And she's a wonderful human being and she's a wonderful host for me. So just do follow her and subscribe to her channel on YouTube as well. So thank you so much, Gauri, for inviting me to this talk show. It was amazing. You hosted it very well, and you are just the best.
Thank you so much, Abhinav. I'm glad you're here. And just in short notice, I just texted you once, and you said, "Sure, that's it." मतलब ऐसे ही मान गया. मुझे लगा मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
Anything for my Nagpur public.
Yes. Cheers to your Nagpur public. Yes. Thank you so much, Abhinav. See you.